Hello everybody, it's me Robin from you.We Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can find your cPanel login access from Namecheap hosting. So to log in on your cPanel of your Namecheap hosting, first you have to go on namecheap.com and then click on account. After that, you have to put your username and password here. So our user and password has been already set. Then click on sign in and continue. And you are now on dashboard, and from there click on hosting list, and here you will see go to cPanel. So click on here. It's redirecting to cPanel, and then this is our cPanel. So in this way you can easily log in on your cPanel from Namecheap. And please subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, we will get more inspiration to create more useful tutorials in future. So please subscribe our channel and stay connected with you.We Solutions. Thank you.